Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool faded out video effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video, and on the background I'm going to select another video, maybe this one. And then I'm also going to select this video, then I'm going to select mask, and I'm going to select horizontal, and I'm going to let me just move her to the right a little bit, and then I'm going to go to mask, and then I'm going to actually just feather this out by a lot. And I'm just going to place her a little bit to the right, so it looks like she's kind of blended in. What I like to do then is I like to just add a black and white filter, or you can add in the adjustment yourself. So here I'm just going to go to the basic, and I'm just going to turn down the saturation, and I might adjust the brightness a little bit and the contrast, and there you go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!